Hello, my friends. Anyone here want to save time and money in the kitchen? Today I'm sharing 31 foods you can freeze to cut down on waste, make meal prep easier, and keep your favorite ingredients fresh longer. Some of these might surprise you, so stick around to the end for my best freezer hacks. First up, let's start with fruits. Freezing fruit is perfect for smoothies, baking, and even just a quick frozen snack. Let's start with some of my favorites. Number one are bananas. Did you know you can freeze bananas? Just peel them, cut them into quarters, and flash freeze them on a tray before storing in freezer bags. Perfect for smoothies and banana bread. You can freeze them whole, but peeling them later is, let's just say, not the most fun experience. Number two are grapes. If you haven't tried frozen grapes, you're missing out. They taste like little popsicles and make an amazing summer treat. Just wash and freeze, no prep needed. Number three are melons. Watermelon and cantaloupe can be cubed and frozen. Again, great for smoothies. Just lay them on a tray first so they don't stick together in the bag. Number four are citrus. If you ever have extra lemons, limes, or grapefruit, slice them up and freeze them. You can even freeze the juice in ice cube trays. This is great if you want fresh lemon juice on hand all the time. Number five is pumpkin puree. If you make your own pumpkin puree, don't throw out the extra. Freeze it in pre-measured amounts to use later in pies, muffins, and soups. Number six are berries. Probably the most common frozen fruit, but so useful. Wash or hull your berries before freezing them. They're great for smoothies, oatmeal, pies, and more. Just remember that some berries get mushy when thawed, but they still taste amazing. Number seven is applesauce. If you make homemade applesauce, you can freeze it instead of canning. The texture stays the same, and it's great for kids' snacks. Next, let's talk dairy products. You can actually freeze a lot of dairy products. This can save you money if you find a sale or have extra that you don't want to waste. Number one is milk. You can freeze milk. Just make sure to pour a little out before freezing since liquids expand. It might look yellow when frozen, but don't worry, it turns back to normal once thawed. Just shake it really well before using. Number two is cheese. Shredded cheese freezes best. If you freeze a block of cheese, it can get crumbly when you try to slice it, but the flavor stays the same. Number three is cream cheese. Freezing changes the texture slightly, making it a little grainy, but it works perfectly for baking and cooking. Number four are eggs. Never freeze eggs in the shell. Instead, crack them into a silicone tray or glass jar before freezing. You can freeze them whole or mix them up first. Number five is butter and margarine. This one freezes beautifully with no changes at all. If you ever see butter on sale, stock up and freeze it. Number six is whipping cream and buttermilk. If you don't use these often, freezing is a great way to prevent waste. Just use them quickly after thawing for best results. Number seven is yogurt. You can freeze yogurt cups if they're close to the expiration date, or even make frozen yogurt treats by adding a popsicle stick. Now let's explore some veggies that you can freeze. Veggies can go bad quickly, but freezing them helps prevent waste and makes meal prep easier. Here are some of the best veggies to freeze. Number one are tomatoes. If you have ripe tomatoes, wash and core them before freezing. They'll be mushy when thawed, but perfect for soups and sauces. Number two are zucchini. Shredded zucchini freezes really well. Just make sure to drain off excess water before using it in baking. Number three are onions. I love freezing onions because I hate chopping them. Just dice them, flash freeze on a tray, then transfer to a freezer bag. Now you'll always have chopped onions ready to go. Number four are leafy greens. Spinach, chard, and kale can all be frozen for smoothies. Just throw them in the blender frozen, so easy. Number five are corn on the cob. Did you know you don't even have to husk fresh corn before freezing? Just toss it in a freezer bag, husk and all. Let's explore other foods that you can freeze. Some foods you might not think about freezing can actually last longer in the freezer. Here are some pantry staples that freeze well. Number one are meat. Freeze raw or cooked meat in portions to make meal prep easier. I like to pre-cook ground beef and shredded chicken for quick meals. Number two is garlic. Freeze whole cloves or chopped garlic. Just as easy to use as fresh. Number three is broth. If you make homemade broth, freeze it in ice cube trays or containers for soups and sauces. Number four are herbs. Fresh herbs are expensive and go bad fast. Chop and freeze them in olive oil or broth in an ice cube tray. Number 5 are beans. Cooked beans freeze well and are cheaper than canned. Number 6 are pasta. You can even pre-cook pasta and freeze it for easy meals. Finally, let's talk about prepared foods. Freezing these makes busy days so much easier. Number 1 are waffles, pancakes, French toast. Make a big batch, freeze them, and just pop them in the toaster when you need them. Number 2 are pie crust freeze dough balls wrapped in plastic wrap for quick pies and quiches. Number 3 are cookie dough freeze in individual scoops for homemade cookies anytime. Number 4 is bread. Both sandwich bread and quick breads like banana bread freeze perfectly. Number 5 is yeast dough. You can freeze pizza dough, bread dough, and roll dough. Just let it rise after thawing. Number 6 are sandwiches. Sandwiches freeze amazingly well. Even meat and cheese sandwiches work, just add lettuce and tomato later. And that's it, 31 foods you can freeze to save time and money. What's your favorite thing to freeze? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home and kitchen tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.